Hello everyone, this is Harshada from CAD NEST. So today, what is conditional formatting? So here we have a table represents the sale of phones. So for this, let us see how to apply conditional formatting. So conditional formatting is in Home tab. You can find conditional formatting over here. So different types of conditional formatting. So today let us learn icon set. So in this, first I'll have to select. I'm going to conditional formatting. In icon sets, I'm selecting the required style, what I prefer, the required icons. So firstly I'm selecting over here, I want Vivo phone. So this is how to select the application. Again same, Oppo, then Samsung. So I'm selecting different icon sets for different phones. So you can see that the averages have been highlighted with yellow and minimum with red and maximum with green. So this is conditional formatting by icon set. Hope this video will be helpful to you. For more videos, do subscribe our channel. Thank you.